What's going on, Trap Watchers? Today is July the 22nd, 2021. We're here to talk about Stellar, to see where the market is going to go so that we can get in position and win. If you're a part of our community, you're part of our team, you guys can understand that you can actually do this, get in position right before the price gets to where you're expecting it to go, to increase your money, to increase your winnings. This is what we're all about here on this platform, teaching everyone, showing everyone that you can do this for yourself and that you can maintain your profitability. You want to join us? If today's your first time seeing our video and you appreciate it, how there's someone actually here on YouTube trying to give you a heads up, say, hey, this is where the price is anticipated to go. You need to join us. Hit that like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to the channel. We're not like these other YouTube channels that's out here just to hype up coins, just to get you to click, just to drum up your emotions that these coins is going to be like Bitcoin one day and hit $10,000, $30,000, $60,000 per coin. That's not us. We anticipate price movement. We forecast where price is going to go so that we can win. It's just that simple. All right, so do it. So this is Stellar right here. Okay, I'm going to zoom in and you all can see that we did a price prediction not long ago, playing the strength into the market in Stellar. And for us, we're being fully transparent with everyone in our community. You can see that the price for Stellar didn't go higher. It didn't, right? Back there on July the 5th, we played the strength into the market for Stellar. And so far, we saw the market price dip. But look, it came right there to where we already been, right? Now, even though I give you that the price for Stellar has broken our ultimate area of support, but take a look at the price action today. We are now right back into our overall prediction table. Okay. So now we need to see if there's still enough legs in the market for Stellar for us to go all the way up there towards 30 cents. Can we still see that? Because if so, we need to keep this prediction on the table. If not, we need to get rid of it and play the opposite side. All right. So it's very good to see that the market in Stellar came through and held 20 cents, 20.5 cents. Very positive to see that. So now let's take a look at the market on a different time frame, because if there's enough momentum in the market for Stellar for us to go higher in price, we're going to continue to ride the market and anticipate higher price movement. Okay. So now this is the 3-day time frame. Okay. We got 1 day and 14 hours left so far. I mean, if we had 5 minutes left before this current 3-day price bar ended, I would definitely keep this prediction on the table. No doubt. I will still be looking for the market to go higher in price. Just that easy, just that simple. Now, since we're not, we got to keep that in the forefront that, yeah, the market can still dip below what we're anticipating it to go. Okay. Because this market is finding restriction right there at our break even of our price prediction, which is around 25.5 cents. So we can still see rejection there. So let's not get it twisted. The market can still find more sellers around 25.5 cents and we come right back down. But that is just a chance you take. That is just some of the risk that's on the table when you come in and participate with the markets. Okay. Now, so far, I'm cool, right? I'm not overly bearish into the market in Stellar for the short term. Okay, short term. Now, looking at this market on a long-term basis, take a look at this. The bullishness into the market from Stellar on a long-term basis has been broken. So yeah, the market is weak in Stellar on a long-term basis, i.e. long-term for us is like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, a monthly time frame. That's long term for us because we're not trying to be in these plays long. Even though you can, I mean, you could grab a bag of these currencies, put it in a vault, wait 10 to 15 years to see what happens. You can. But then you can also have some other places where you just come in and out the market and grab up profitability and move on to the next profitability, right? So for the 2-week time frame, yeah, I'm not overly bearish. I mean, I'm not overly bullish into the market in Stellar because of what we're seeing in this space on the 2 weeks time frame. Now, let me clean up this chart. Our chart looks filthy right now with all of these lines here. Let me get rid of one of them. There it is, like that. Now the chart looks cleaner, right? Nothing else on the chart. There's no need to have anything else on our charts. So now, let me break this down to an hourly time frame real quick, because you guys can see already on this current 11-hour price bar, right? We're seeing the weakness coming through the market right there. Okay, so we need to be careful. The volume is coming through. We're closing off of the highs of that 11-hour price bar currently. It lets me know that the sellers are coming through and the market is stellar. Okay, so now, what do you think we need to do? Should we keep our prediction on the table? Should we get rid of it and sit the sideline? What should we do? What would you do? Drop us a comment in the comment section and tell us what would you do until the market is stellar. Would you continue to ride with the prediction, or would you let the market continue, or would you take out the prediction and just sit the sideline, and would you take the opposite trade and play the weakness? Right? For us, we're going to continue to play this strength. Okay. Now again, we got a day and 14 hours left. So I'm not really expecting the price bar to look the same that it looks right now. So from now until the next 1 day and 14 hours, if anything changes, if we don't look the same that we have right now, we need to cut the prediction. Just that simple, right? But so far, this market warrants us to continue to keep our prediction on the table. But anything changes within the next day and 14 hours, we got to cut it. We got to move on and play the opposite side, or don't participate into the market until we get something more viable that we understand where the market is headed, right? But so far, from what I'm seeing on the 2-day and the 3-day time frame, the market in stellar is still showing us strength, which tells us that we can continue to ride on into the market for this currency. Okay. So now, let me give you a TP price though. Instead of hitting 30 cents, maybe around 27 to 26 cents, we can see the market in stellar come to and come back down. Okay, so I don't want you all to think that I'm looking for the market to hit 30 cents first. No, 27, 26 cents. We would definitely take some profits out the market in that round. So around 26. Let's do 27. That's about 6% right there. So we do 27 cents first as an area TP, then 30 cents ultimately. And that's it. So yeah, we're going to keep it. We're not going to change it. Just pretty much this was an update in the market for Stellar. Some people saying that Stellar can still fall 15%. Right now, we're not seeing it. But yeah, from a 2 weekly time frame, Stellar's price can still fall another 15%. I mean, let's see. 15% from where the market currently is in Stellar would give us a price of what? 20 cents? Look at that. So it's not even that far. 15 cents. I mean, 15%. Yeah, it's about 21 cents from 24. So it's not really a big deal, but playing this from a short-term perspective is strength. Playing this from a long-term perspective, there's weakness. That's where the dividing line is. So now it's your turn. Call the markets, put a price prediction out, tell everyone in our community where you're expecting this price to go. Let's do the next 5 to 7 trading days. Where will the market price be? Let me know. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.